cover principal. All right, so essentially what that is think about buying a $400,000 house. You put $100,000 on it, your initial loan amount, aka your initial principal balance, is going to be $300,000. Okay, so if you were to take out all of your interest, your taxes, your insurance, the whole nine, what you're left with is your principal balance. This is what you owe on the property to make it yours, not any of the extras as far as what you owe the bank, what you owe your insurance company, or the state or county you live in for your taxes. It's strictly the amount that you owe for your home. Stay tuned. We're going to come back at you with interest real short. Superman out.